Remember what you gotta do?
I'm not doing it.
Come on, please. Right. I just need an album name from you. Ah, wait, no, I'm doing it. Hang on.
I was 19 then, you were 23. We stayed in number 4 Ferdinand Street. We spent 5 talking about our lives, but we talked like that about 1,000 times, and I'm bored of all that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, and you got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're betting on me. Does anybody know that I'm out here waiting? Does anybody know I still call for you? Does anybody know there's a soul that needs saving? Does anybody know you let do? I didn't think so. I didn't think so. Lady on fire, waiting, heat and that's my motto. Don't let him near enough to let me down. All his love ever does is break me now. And if it hurts so much to stay, then let him go. Oh, that's my motto. I'm not a fool, and Lord knows I'd be stupid if I still wanted you. But if I do, I'll repeat the message till I don't. But in honesty that I can be a 4th finger with 4 limbs to carry. Won't let you make a fool out of me, boy. See, boy, you are good and you are pure, the angel knocking at my door. But I need something, something more, 'cause love has all been done before. Hey, you are sweet, hey, you are nice, keep me calm and satisfied. But I need something, something more, 'cause love has all been done before. I swear that I don't pay attention. If I did, would intervention come to me in a dream?
Cut.
Or is that just what the directors and the pills and other deflectors would have you believe?
Action.
Psychotic, hypnotic, erotic, which parts is your thing? But how many days a week do you feel electric, connected, unexpectedly affected? What do you need? What do you need? I get no joy. I get no joy. All the words I'm not gonna say, can see to get them out my head. Everything because everything you